Hey YouTube, on the left I have the real deal Apple AirPod. And then to the right I have the fake AirPod that I ordered. Now this cost me about 50 bucks versus 150, and I'm going to do a open box review. I haven't opened it yet, as you can see. Still has a wrap and everything around it, and I'm gonna unbox it and compare it to the real one right here to see if it's legit. All right, let's go. Okay, I unwrapped it so far. Comparing this to the real one, can't really tell a difference besides, I would say, the coloring. This one has more of a texture to it than this right here. I don't know if you can see that. Oh yeah, you can see it in the video. Here it is. Compared to this, looks more flat. This one has more of a bump texture to it. Yeah, let me see, focus. There we go. Compared to this one, you can't really see it at all. Alright, so I'm gonna unbox it. Alright, looks pretty cool, legit. Designed by Apple California. Obviously not. The packaging, let's see. The packaging compared to the original one. I mean, the original one right now, it's already open and obviously in use, but comparing the original one to the fake one, everything inside looks alike. And again, the coloring of the whites are different. Nice packaging. It says designed by Apple California, assembled in China. So far looks pretty cool. Let's see.
Hi.
Alright, so here's a fake one. Snaps on kinda just like the real one. Here's a real one in here. Slightly different when closing, but they both here says same thing. Both buttons right here still. Different coloring still, different whites, but you can't tell the difference. Yeah, so looks pretty real. Looks pretty real to me. Let's compare this to the actual one. I would say that the quality of the real one feels more legit than the fake one. The fake one feels lighter and more hollow than the real one. See, they look the same. Get a good focus. The fake one looks more thicker on the ring size than the real one. Yeah. This is the fake one, and this is the real one. I could tell it's different because of the down here. Over here you see like the little, I don't know, like CE little lettering down here. Trying to focus. There we go. And the real one, it doesn't have it at all. So this is their fake one, and this is the real one. And as you can notice, the fake box and the real box, the boxing is different. It's more, it has like a more plastic inside. This one's a little more legit cardboard box feeling. And inside of this, let's see. It comes with the cool charging cable for the AirPod. Same iPhone charger. It's a good snap onto it. So I tried testing this AirPods on my phone. It works perfectly fine, just like the real AirPod. So yeah, that's my review on the fake AirPods and the real AirPods. So far, this fake one for 50 bucks works just like the original one for 150 bucks. Alrighty then.